Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see the part 4 of the same topic, that is the playing with numbers. So in that we already did the previous exercises. So now we will go with the exercise 5C. So here they said replace A, B, C by suitable numbers. You can see here A, here B and this C. So now what we have to do here, first thing now that let us see the unit place digit. So now we can see here this is 3 and here is 7. So definitely this number is going to be somewhere because this is plus. So it cannot be this a smaller number, but this is definitely going to be a bigger number because 3 means here there will be something, either it can be 13 or 23, but 23 is not possible. Now let us see here. So now where do we get 3? We get in first number is 6 plus 7, that will be 13. So already we have 7 here. So now let us try for this one. We put here 6. So now we will write here A is, just let me change the color. So now A is 6 plus 7. So that will be 13. Suppose we take here. So now already we have 3 over here. So now what will be here? In the tens place. So already we have 1 over here. So 1 plus 5 plus 8. So now let us write here. So now 1 plus 5 plus 8. So that is going to be 14. So 14 means here is going to be 4 and here will be 1. So now C is going to be 1. Hope you got this one. So now what will we write here? So A is, here what will be A? That is going to be 6. B is here 4 and C is 1. Hope this is clear to you. Now let us see for the next one. Here what you can see, this is again plus and we already have here 6. So now what we can write here, so now this is A and this is 3. So it cannot be 6 minus 3 is 3 because here we have plus. So what it can be, so we can write here, we can write like this, A plus 6 is equal to, we can, because this can be, only possibility is getting a 13 here. So now we can say here A plus 6 is equal to 13. So A is equal to 13. If you take this on the other side, that is going to be minus 1. So 13 minus 6, so A is going to be 7. So hope this now that is clear. So here will be 1. So now what are you going to do here? 1 and this is this 1 plus B plus, here will be 17. The possibility is getting us 17. So we can write here 1 plus B plus 9 is 17. So here what will you get? B is going to be 17 and this will be 1 plus 9. We can also write directly, that is 10. So this is going to be 7. So B is 7. So now let us see for the C part. So here you get, now see here, this is 1 over here, right? This is 17. So now here 1 and this is 6. And this will be, this means it is the possibility of getting 11. So we can write here 1 plus C plus 6 is equal to 11. So therefore C is going to be, this is going to be what? 7. So 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7, that is going to be 4. So already now we got ABC. So now what we can do here, we can write like this, just a minute. So we can write here, so A is going to be, A is 7, then B is also 7 and C is 4. Now let us see for the third one. So here what did they do here? Here we have all A's. So what is the possibility of getting here? So we can write here A plus A plus A. So that is A. So A can be what the Same number. So what is that? If you are writing here 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is going to be again any number if we take 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that is going to be 3. So that is not possible because this is also A. If we take 2 plus 2 plus 2, so that is going to be 6. But this is not possible. If we take 3 plus 3 plus 3, so that is going to be 9. So this is not possible because the number, whatever you get here, that same number should be here. 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is going to be 16. But if we take here 5 plus 5 plus 5, so that is going to be 15. Hope you got this. So 15 means 5 will be here and 1 will be here. So the B is going to be 1. Hope you got this. So this is very easy. So we can write here A is, we can already write here A is 5 and B is 1. Now let us see for the next one. Here, this is subtraction. So now we can write here, we want here A and here B, and this is 7. So what we'll do here, first thing what we will do, A minus B is equal to 7. Now look at here, this is A minus B is equal to 7. So now at least we should know A or we should know B. So now what we can do, one thing the possibility is getting here, here we can say that we'll see the this one tens place. 6 is here and this is A and this is 3. So what is the possibility here, that we can write here 6 minus A. So here will be something will be, we can write here 6 minus A is 3. So what is the for this one? So 6 minus 3 is equal to A. So 3 is equal to A. So this is one of the possibility. So if we are taking here 3, but if we take here, suppose we take here 3, 3 minus B is equal to 7. So what we can do here, so B is going to be, if we take here 3, so that is, let's see here we will get here B, so this will be 7. If we take here 3 minus B is equal to 7. So minus B is equal to 4. So B is going to be minus 4. But here if we are taking a minus 4, that is not possible. So we cannot take 3 is equal to A. So we'll do the other one. If we take, because if we are considering this as borrowing, if we are considering this as borrowing means this is going to be 5. Because here there will be some bigger number. So if we take here 5, so here is going to be 5 minus 2 is going to be 3. Hope you got this. Because here if there is some big number, so that is going to be borrowed. So this is going to be 5. And so A is going to be 2. So now let us do this way, so that A is 2. A is, hope you got this one. A is 2. So now if we are taking here, this is 2. That means this also should be 2, but this is going to be 12. So now what will be that? So 12 and this is, so you can do here 12 minus B is equal to 7. So now what will you write here? 12 minus 7 is equal to B. So 5 is equal to B. So what we can write here? Therefore, A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 5. Hope you got this. Because if we take a smaller number, so it's not possible. If we are subtracting, we have to look at this number. So we have to start from the tens place digit. So whatever the number is here means this is going to be, if this number is going to be smaller. So hope you got it. So if you know this part, so after doing this one, we know what the value of A. So A is 2. So then it's easy to find out B. So now let us solve this problem. Here it's given at 5. Here is minus A and this is 9. So now this is a bigger number. So what you have to do, you have to borrow from here. So this is going to be 15. So you will write a 15 minus A, that is 9. So you will write a 15 minus 9 is equal to A. So this is going to be 6 is equal to A. So now what you can see here, this c minus this b minus 8 is equal to 5. So we can also write here this as b minus 5 is equal to 8. So here this is going to be b, this will be 13. So what is actually here is 13, but now since you have length over here, so what are you going to write here? This is going to be 4. So now let us look at this part. So what is that? C minus 2 is equal to 2. So here we can write here C minus 2 is equal to 2. So actually original here, so we have, this has 5 because you have length here 1. But later it becomes here, this is going to be 4. So now what will be A? A is 6. Then B is 4 and C is 5. So now let us see here, find two numbers whose product is a one digit number and the sum is a two digit number. So now what will be, which are the two numbers? So we can say 1 and 9 are two numbers whose product is a single digit number. So now what you can write here, therefore we can write here 1 into 9 is equal to 9. So now if we take the sum of numbers, if we take the sum of that 1 and 9, so that is a two digit number. So what we can write here, therefore 1 plus 9, that is 10. So see that is what they have asked, whose product is a one digit number. So see, this is a product that is 1 and 9, it's a one digit number, and when you take the sum it is a two digit number. Now find three whole numbers whose product and sum are equal. So now let us check here what will be the whole numbers here. If we take here the whole numbers, we want the three whole numbers. So now let us write the three whole numbers. Are 1, 2 and 3. So now if we take the sum of it, so that is going to be 1 plus 2 plus 3. So this is going to be 6. And if you take the product of it, that is going to be 1 into 2 into 3. That is also going to be 6. So we can consider 1, 2 and 3 numbers. So when we take the sum, that also is going to be 6. And when we take the product, that also is going to be 6. Now complete the magic square given below so that the sum of the numbers in each row or in each column or along each diagonal. So which are the diagonals? We can say this. So they are all 15. So now what we have to do? Now we know here, if we take this part. So what is that going to be? So we can make it to 15 here. So this is 11. 11 and here you need 4. Now if we take here, if we go, because we have two numbers over here, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 and this is going to be 8. So that is going to be 15. So now we can do here 12 and this is going to be 3. Now if we take this part, 8 and here will be 7. So now if we take here, this is going to be 2. because your 13 plus 2 is going to be 15. And now if we consider this one, this is 6. So this is going to be 9. So this is 9. So hope this is clear. So now you can check all. This is also 15. This also is 15. This also is 15. If we check this one, this is 15. If we check this part, this is 15. If we check this part, this is 15. So that's done. So now let us see fill in the blanks from 1 to 6 without repetition so that each side of the triangle adds up to 12. Now let us see from here, if we take here 6. So here if we take 4, here if we take 5. So because we have to consider 1 to 6 without repetition. So we want to see that it should be add up to 12. So here it can be 2. Now here, if we take this part 9, and then it is going to be 3. And if we take this part, this is 11. So it should be 1 more. So I think we have covered all the numbers and no number is repeating over here from 1 to 6. So this is the answer. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other parts. Thank you.